How to upload fonts on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now from the left hand side, we want to click on Add Elements, and then we will go to text here, the first slot, and I'll simply drag and drop some themed text here. It will look like this. Now we want to double click on the text itself, and you will be able to see the section here for fonts. Click on this drop down menu, and at the very bottom you should be able to see the option to upload fonts. Once selected, you will see that we can upload fonts in TTF format, OTF, WOFF or WOFF2. Here we will simply click on upload fonts, and I'll go to my downloads here and I'll upload this font style. Now once it has been uploaded, it will just render it out for some seconds here, so just give it some time to complete the uploading process and the rendering process here. And I'm going to show you how we can use it as well. So just give it some time here. Okay, so the font has been uploaded. It looks like this, and now we can click on done here and we can use our font here. We can find it in the section. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.